Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you, and I hope you all are safe. And see, I'm here to teach you in lecture number 2, SST Standard 1, Chapter 9, and the chapter name is Our Home. So in last videos I taught you about that why the home is important, and why these all activities are important to do in different rooms. So let's go just take a short look at what we have learned, and one more information that what we are I'm just teaching you. Please, once again, the online class will over. You just go through the chapter and read the chapter, and whatever the homework you are receiving on the Hot Fort International School website, if you have the book, then please complete it, and please write down in good handwriting. Please use the time, and don't go outside. Spend your quality time with your family members. Attend your online classes, and please enjoy the time with family members. So let's go through that what we have learned in first videos. I'm just going to tell you in very shortly, like in short types. So just go through the reading. I'm just telling you, just also listen carefully. And yeah, here we go. Like, what is called home? What is called home? The house we lived in. The house where we lived in is called a home. Is called a home. Our home. So if someone is asked that what is home, then you will say what? The house we live in. The house we live in is called a home. Is called a home. Now again, one question is there in your chapter only, that do you eat, bath, sleep, cook food, watch television, study and play in the same room? It means in one room you can do these all activities. You can eat, you can bath, you can, if you can't, you can sleep, or you can cook, you can watch television, study or play. Yes or no? If no, then why no? If yes, then why yes? Answer is there. Answer is what? It's like no. It's just simple answer that no, we can't do these all activities in one room. Suppose it's one room. Here I am just teaching you. Here I am sleeping also. Here I can cook also. Here I can like bath also and go toilet also. It's look like very bad, and their germs will also grow. So for that, these all activities, we have what? We have different rooms. Our homes usually have different rooms for different activities. So what? For these all activities, we have what? We have different rooms. So in our home, we have what? We have different rooms for different activities. Sorry. So look at this picture which I have taught you in lecture 1. Like bathroom is there, then bedroom, then drawing room, then dining room and kitchen. So it's a what? It's a house structure where what we can see here, that in one house we have different rooms to do the different activities. Like to eat, to sleep, to bath, to study, to watch television. Next is, I just told that what is kitchen. I said that to whom we are calling a kitchen. So the room where we cook food. The room where we cook food is called a kitchen. Is called a kitchen. Again I am repeating, please listen carefully. The room where we cook food. The room where we cook food is called the kitchen. Is called the kitchen. In fact, what is a bedroom? We sleep in the bedroom. Especially what we are doing, we can't eat our food in the bedroom, and we can't go toilet. So in the bedroom, what we do, we usually sleep in a bedroom. In fact, we can read also, and we can eat also, but bedroom is especially for to sleep. Next is, I'm just reading, please you also read with me. The room where we bath and wash is called the bathroom or the toilet? Now what is called the bathroom and toilet or toilet? So the answer is what? The room, sorry, the room where we bath. The room where we bath and wash. Like the room where we bath, like in front of the showers, and then water is there, and we usually use the soap and water to wash. So the room where we bath and wash our hands, like this type of hands we are washing. So that room is called what? That room is called bathroom or the toilet. Bathroom or the toilet. Next is what? The kitchen, bedroom and bathroom are important rooms in the home. So if you have the home, if any villagers area, if the poor people, these three room is very important. This three room is what? It's very important rooms in the house. Which room? Like bedroom, kitchen and bathroom. So in kitchen we usually cook our food, bedroom we usually sleep or rest we are doing, and bathroom what? We are washing and we are just bathing, and we are what? Going to the washroom. So these three is what? It's very important in our rooms, important rooms in our house. Next, we eat our food in the dining room. So dining room, what we do? Dining room is what? Is for eat our food. We sit together and spend time with our friends and family in the living room or drawing room. So living room and drawing room, these all is the same meaning. The name is what? Another you can call living room, drawing room also, or drawing room also, living room. So in this room what we are doing? We just sit together with family members and spend time with our families and friends, just like a guest if they will come, and then we can spend our times. We also receive guests here. So if guest will come, then we will told to sit in the drawing room or living room. So some houses are small and may have only one or two rooms. So if suppose some houses, if some people they can't afford that much big house and different rooms, so what they have? What they have? Usually one or two rooms. A good home has window to let in fresh air and sunlight. So if a good home is there, then in good home, every time what? Good home, those good home is there, the window is also available, because window what? It helps us to enter the fresh air through the windows and sunlight. So because air is very important and sunlight is also important, so sunlight what? It can kill the germ whatever inside our homes. Germs are is there. Next, we should keep our homes clean. A clean home makes one happy. And every time whatever the house is there, which type of house we can't see, but what the house if we have, then we have to keep our homes clean, because a clean house what? It makes us happy. Did you know is there that sunlight is very important because it kills germs in the house. So sunlight what? It is very important because it kills the germs which is present in our homes. So sunlight is very important. So again I'm just you just take a short look that in kitchen what we do? We just cook the food. In bedroom we just sleep. In bathroom we just bath and wash. In dining room we just eat, or living room what? We spend the time with family members, with guests and with our friends. So here is what your chapter has completed, chapter 9, and I hope that you guys had understood the chapter. So please once again after the finishing the online class, please you go through the chapter and read line by own, and please you can, for improving your handwriting, you can write also, so that your handwriting will improve. Again I will back tomorrow next class to teach you the next chapter, chapter 10, my neighborhood. So if you have completed till chapter 8 in your fair copy, if you have the book, then please write down from the book new words. You have at least 4 new words are there. First is home, second is kitchen, third is bedroom, and last is bathroom. So these all 4 new words you just write down in your book. And the exercise, that question answer I will give you on Hot Fort International School website. You please go there and check your homework. Thank you, and again I will back to teach you next class. Thank you and stay happy at home.